Once you have scaled all your ingredients according to the recipe on your screen, we'll begin by mixing flour, water, sugar, yeast, Vital Wheat gluten, S500 red, and Sapore Fidelio for 5 minutes on first speed and 8 to 10 minutes on second speed. After about 3 minutes in second speed, add the salt. As the dough mixes, be sure to periodically check the gluten development using the window method. Once the dough is completely developed, place the dough on a floured board and sprinkle flour on top of the dough. Cover with plastic and let bulk ferment for 10 minutes. When the bulk ferment time is complete, place your dough on the bench to be scaled into 18-ounce pieces and round. Place each piece on a floured board and cover with plastic for an intermediate proof of 10 minutes. Always remember, baking is a science as well as an art, so dough development will vary in different environments. As for Puratos, dough conditioners are a real benefit to you. These products can help equalize those elements which affect your dough. Next, mold the pieces into bowl shapes and dip the bottom of each piece in cornmeal and place on perforated sheet pans. Once the pan is full, place on a rack, spray each bowl with water, and cover. The product then needs to be placed in the retarder overnight. The next morning, pull the rack from the retarder. Let stand for 1 hour, then place it in the proof box for 30 to 40 minutes. Once the final proof is complete, score each piece with 4 to 5 diamond cuts prior to placing in the oven. Place the bowls in the oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 to 25 minutes with heavy steam. Open the dampers during the last 5 minutes of total bake time. When the bake time is complete and the finished product has developed a perfect crust and color, pull the bread from the oven and let stand for 30 to 60 minutes to cool.